Good morning 10th class. This is our fourth lecture of first week, and in this lecture we will study the ripple tank. Student, ripple tank is an experiment. In this experiment we will observe the different characteristics of the waves. For example, diffraction, reflection of waves, and interference of waves. In this experiment we produce the waves on the surface of the water by using the electronic vibrator, and put some light on these waves, and the behavior or characteristics of these waves could be observed on the viewing screen. And the experimental setup of the ripple tank is here. Here you can see that rectangular shallow tank of a water, and above that water we place on a mirror. And in the water you can see the vibrator, and that produce the waves in the water by the electronic vibrator. And when the waves produced in the water, we throw some light on it, and the behavior of the waves observed on the screen. Apparatus and working. Apparatus consist of the rectangular tray and having the glass bottom, and a vibrator that above the surface of a table. The vibrator is an oscillating electric motor fixed on a wooden plate over the tray such that its lower surface just touches the surface of the water. When we setting the vibrator on, this wooden plate starts vibrating and generates the water waves on the surface of a water. An electric bulb is hung above the tray to observe the image of water waves on the paper or screen. The crest and troughs of waves appear as right and dark lines respectively on the screen, and this pattern can be shown here. Students, to observe the different phenomena in a ripple tank, we place the barrier in front of the waves. When we place the barrier in such a way in front of the waves that the incident waves, the angle of the incident waves and the refracted waves are the same, that this phenomena is termed as the reflection of the water waves. Students, when the angle of the incident waves or the refracted waves are the same, the incident angle or the refracted angle is same, then this phenomena is termed as the reflection of the water waves. And when we put the obstacles in front of the waves, and the distance between the obstacle is small, and you can see that it will changes the shape of the waves. That will change the shape of the wave, that the waves bend at the corners of the barriers, and this phenomena is termed as the diffraction. Circular waves are produced. This effect is known as diffraction. And if we increase the distance between the barrier, the circular effect produced by the barriers become to reduce, and at some extent thus the waves pass through gap unchanged apart from slight diffraction of the waves near their ends.